CSR Martini is an Australian-based manufacturer of fibre-based textile products which are used in the commercial and residential applications in both panels and felts. We have a wide range of products manufactured here, from ceiling tiles, wall panels, underfloor. We also have a range that gets used in furniture manufacturing.
The premium product that we make is our high-performance acoustic panels, giving you really good sound performance and noise control systems.
CSR Martini has been manufacturing in Australia for 27 years. When you put that off the back of our CSR local manufacturing in Australia, we've been manufacturing products for over 170 years. Our products are predominantly specified by architects and designers, sometimes builders and developers, looking for something to enhance either the experience of their clients, the experience of the population. Being an Australian-made manufacturer keeps us close to the market. It keeps us close to our customers. One of the things that differentiates the Australian market from other markets is that very, very high level of compliance and certification required. We build really quality homes and buildings in Australia.
By manufacturing locally, we are able to meet good quality standards at all times because we understand our customers. We work very closely with them. It is a critical part of product development to ensure we are aware of changes coming in the market when it comes to building products and building product codes. There is regular testing and assessments conducted on our products to ensure we still meet our stringent sustainability goals and performance criteria.
Part of CSR's core strategy is sustainability. We look for opportunities to reduce our footprint across all of our manufacturing sites across Australia. So between 60 and 70% of our raw materials is recycled, and that comes from post-consumer applications collected around the world and brought into Australia as part of our raw material processing, which help us to reduce energy consumption, water consumption and waste generation.
We are an Australian company and we believe in supporting Australian industry. Having an Australian-made option in the market means our customers have a choice to support local industry, Australian manufacturing. It gives them assurance of ethical sourcing and a good quality product availability in the market.
When I think about Australian manufacturing, I think of extremely high levels of safety, quality and sustainability. At the peak of our strategy is building solutions for a better future. When I associate what we do and what we manufacture, our products, it gives us an immense sense of pride having the Australian-made logo on our products, knowing the surety and the calmness that brings our customers.